guys, today we're going to the WCA competition. It's like 1 hour away from our house, and I hope I'll get past the second round. I've been practicing a long time for this, so I'm really excited. I expect to have fun. I need to get past first round. I hope I get like a time around 25, 28, around there. Or if it's less, it'll be better. The competition is being hosted at a high school and I never do that. So, it's not as I was expecting, but I'm really excited to go inside and start competing.
All right, we're now going up 3x3, round 2, 3, 3. So if you're in the top 12, 3x3, round 1, you're out of here. If you adjust immediately, come help us. And the top 12, we're continuing down 3x3, round 2, 3, 3.
Praj, reset the timer. Praj,
Reset the timer. Timer.
No, this one. No. Press the button.
Okay.
So, Mama, look.
Yeah.
When you do it, you can, and you just point it with an actual moving in case if you want it and you accidentally. But accidentally, if you put it in the wrong place, like the mug, accidentally you put yours in the wrong place and you did not want it, you can destroy it, so automatically. My experience in round 1 was pretty good. I mean, like, I got a 29-second average. My PB, my official PB is now 26 seconds, 26.9. I'm pretty sure 26.8. And also I won the newcomer the newcomer. I won the newcomer award. So I'm the fastest newcomer with the best single. So my single was 26. So I told you that already. And I won it. I won having the best newcomer single. I also judged in that competition. So judging is pretty fun actually. I'm not saying it's better than cubing. It's just fun. It's just kind of fun to go around, take a cube somewhere, look at some people's cubes, look how nice feel it, and it's nice to it's just satisfying to get the cube from the scrambling table and give it to the person and time them. I don't know why, it just is.
But essentially the rule is it's got to be more than 45 degrees.
Now my experience with round 2 was worse than round 1. Because in round 2 I got an average of 43 seconds, which is bad. And I obviously didn't make it to the 3rd round. But I'm pretty happy to be at the competition and participate to see. And I watched a bunch of the cubers. There were people getting like 7 seconds and one even 6 seconds. My experience with round 2 was pretty good. Like I got a worse round than round 1, but because I got nervous and I even got a disqualification. I mean, I had to use someone else's cube because the cube, my cube was chipped a little bit. So it was kind of cheating because I could feel the pieces. So I got a DNF for that, which stands for did not finish. Even though I did finish, but after I finished, they realized it was chipped. So then I started the average over with a different person's cube. And then at the end, I didn't make it to round 3, sadly, but I'm happy to participate. And I had fun. Bye guys, see you in the next video.